Hi everyone, this is Abby Forcier of Realize Learning, and I am just checking in after a very long and busy summer. I've been doing a lot of different things this summer and helping a lot of kiddos get ready for the school year, and a lot of other kids refine their basic sort of foundation skills, which has been awesome. I also had a really successful reading and math set of workshops, which were so much fun, and has actually encouraged me to host a fall homeschoolers workshop. It's for writing, and what we're going to do is learn how to read a biography and extract information so that students can then write about what they read. So sort of writing mini biographies and refining sort of paragraph writing skills, and that is going to take place September 27th to November 1st. That's Thursdays 12 to 1:15 p.m. I also will be getting back into blogging and sharing more about what's going on, and also sharing some tips that parents can use at home with their kiddos and teachers can use in their classroom. So now that I'm sort of out of that very busy summer season, I have a little bit more time for that and to share with you guys. Lots of exciting things coming up this fall. I'm very excited. I've got a full schedule, but it's all really exciting things. Like I said, I have my homeschool class, but I'm also going to be partnering with the Hartsbrook School in Hadley, and I'm going to be teaching small reading groups there to help out some of their kids who are struggling with reading and writing. So all really exciting things that I'm looking forward to, and I'll keep you guys posted. All right, happy learning.